This exercise is for those that spend a lot of time sitting at a desk, for example, at a computer or operating a keyboard or writing on a desk. And this is an exercise designed for relaxation as well as improving coordination training of the neck and shoulder muscles. It is quite effective in that you can use it 2, 3, 4 times a day on break to relieve the strain that builds up through these posterior neck and shoulder muscles as a result of hovering, looking forward, writing with your arms down or with the arms forward. There are 3 elements to this exercise. 2 of them are about positioning yourself correctly, and the third is the movement component. The first part of the exercise is that we want to pull the shoulders back, bringing the shoulder blades together. And as we do that, we want to hold that position. So we're artificially engaging the shoulders and pulling them back in a very military-like fashion. The second component of the exercise is that we want to pull our head straight backward on a horizontal line. And so it looks like withdrawing or pulling the face backward, and we want to do that without tipping the chin up or tucking the chin in. We want to go straight horizontally backward while we keep our shoulders back. So those are the 2 positional elements that we want to now maintain. And the third feature of the exercise is we want to provide rotation of the head and neck. And we want to keep our eyes level, so we don't want to do tipping down toward the shoulders. We want to make it a pure rotational movement. And how we want to rotate is we want to make this movement very smooth and uninterrupted, especially as we reverse directions. When we hit as far as we can go to the left, we want to make a smooth transition back to the opposite side. And so the most important feature is that we want to move the head and neck very controlled, smooth, rhythmic, with no interruptions. And we don't want it to create any pain, so stop short of any painful degrees of rotation if it were hurting as you rotate it all the way to one side, for example. And you want to do about 10 rotations, and then you can relax. That's the exercise. You can do this as a stress relieving break virtually any time. It helps get the head better positioned over the shoulders, and the rotation coordinates these muscles through the lower neck so that the joints move more successfully, and it's quite relieving